Look guys, I went into this grocery to go get my coffee. He didn't have coffee because it was cold. I came over here to the shul, less than 10 feet away. This is all broken because of the cops when they busted into the shul. So I was standing in the shul. See, over here in this little room was a table of food. They were eating over here. I was standing here. The first gun burst broke out. They came running in. After 5 minutes of constant shooting back and forth, I decided, let me go check on the owner's wife. Because he tried calling her and she didn't pick up the phone. You see, you can still see my umbrella. See this yellow umbrella? This is my umbrella, still on the crime scene. So as I was putting my hand on the front door to go out, another gun burst. I heard the stones from the sidewalk bouncing back at the door. I ran back. So then, after let's say half an hour, 45 minutes, I can't say exact time, I came to the back. I came to the back of the shul, the synagogue. This door, we didn't know yet that they got into the grocery. This door was the entire time open, that door as well was open. We kept on walking in and out of the backyard because we didn't know how critical the situation is. After time, she didn't pick up the phone for her husband. We didn't know what's going on. I figured, let me see what I can do. He's a little husky guy, so he couldn't jump over. So what I did, I stepped over here, went onto the crate. I jumped into that gate and I went into that tarp. As you can see, that boxes over there, I was standing by that corner of that boxes. That's literally 3 to 5 feet away from the back door of the grocery. I saw the worker laying face down and the door was still open because his body was in the door jamb. I quickly ran back up here. That's when we got back into the shul and we locked the doors. This is how it looks like. Check it out. You see these bullet holes? Move, let me see. Look how many bullet holes. Let me show you where the guy was laying face down. You see, this is in the grocery. The guy was probably running to the back door. So while he was finally at the back door, he was shot in the back. See, this is a bullet hole. He was laying face down towards that way. His feet was in here. The whole body was outside. His face was laying over here. I saw his face down. I was coming down from that backyard. I crawled on that crate, came down on that, jumped over that fence, jumped on this tree, and I walked under this top. It was kind of scary. I was standing right over here, right where I'm standing right now, 3 feet away from the door. I saw the guy laying face down, his face over here. The door was a little bit open. You see bullet holes in the door. The door was a little bit open because his body didn't let the door close. I ran quickly back, and that's where that's how I didn't step out from the synagogue no more.
Hier had een tabamba snack, was gewoon bergen lekker van kool. Alleine lekker, ja. Also du geflogen kool in den Platz, du klingt man noch von draußen.
Grocery store, and that 2 Jersey City Police Department officers began engaging with those shooters that were walking along the street immediately as soon as they saw what was happening. Meanwhile, bullet holes, really just a terrifying scene. Right across the street from this grocery store, there is the Sacred Heart K-8 school. There are at least a dozen bullet holes that you can see through the windows and of the classrooms of that school. This school was directly across the street as hundreds of gun bullets were just flying through the air during the gun battle yesterday. Unfortunately, 6 people have died, including Detective Joseph Seals. Seals was on the force as a detective for Jersey City since 2006, a married father of 5, someone who is known for his work.
de kinderen gaan we pijlen.
Die zijn dat. Dat kan zijn. Police put the back. Police put the back van de bus. Police voert nog de bus. De bus gaat over in de kinderlucht. Police voert nog.
Because this strengthens the bond between the communities and basically sends a message that they are not here alone. The greater Jewish community is concerned and it stands behind that. We thank you for all what you have done.
So talking about we're going to include this, we're talking about literally the criminals. We want to have a point of contact or whatever. We want to keep you in the loop and whatever police presence we need to have. Who should be in contact?
Yeah, we'll put you in touch.